guys, I just wanted to do a quick little video to let you know that I currently have a poll up on my Facebook page that I would love for you guys to go check out and vote on. It's basically me asking you if you'd be interested in seeing me posting weekly vlogs, because that's just a little bit easier for me right now, or if you'd rather me stick to makeup tutorials and just post them as often as I can, which honestly won't be very often right now with the current season of life that I am in. But I do have a video that I just recently posted kind of explaining what's been going on with me and why I haven't been posting videos lately, and I will link that down below so you guys can check it out. No, thank you, buddy. And I honestly think that if you're not following me on my social media, it's probably going to be an easier way to stay in touch with what's going on with me if you're interested in that. So I will link all my social medias down below. I am honestly more active on Twitter, or sorry, not Twitter. I'm most active on Instagram and Facebook, but I do have a Twitter and I do have a Snapchat. I just don't do either of those nearly as much as Instagram and Facebook. So definitely follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I will try to post as frequently as possible on there as well. But yeah, my poll that I just posted is on Facebook, so go check that out, follow me, and let me know your thoughts. I really do appreciate it, because if I'm posting any kind of content on YouTube, I want to make sure it's something that you guys want to see and it's not just something I think you want to see. So yeah, anyways, I love you guys. Thanks for your support and for helping me out, and yeah, you guys are great. Love you. Hope you're having a wonderful week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.